a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You've probably heard of this before, but what exactly does this mean? Welcome back to Math Digest. Take a triangle with the right angle. If you need to freshen up the types of angles, check out my video where I go over these. In this triangle, we're going to call the two short sides A and B. The long side, which is across from the right angle, is C. This is also called the hypotenuse. What the Pythagorean theorem says is that when you square A and B and add these together, you get C squared. Let's do an example. A triangle with a right angle is given. The sides A and B are 8 and 6 inches long. How long is C? Take the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and replace the variables a and b with 8 and 6. Now we have the equation 8 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. So 64 plus 36 equals c squared. And 64 plus 36 is 100. So c squared is equal to 100. Now we know that c squared is 100, but what is c? The square root of 100 is 10, so c is equal to 10. Let's review what we learned today. The Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, works with triangles that have right angles. This is very important to remember. If the triangle doesn't have a right angle, you can't use the Pythagorean theorem. The side which lies across from the right angle is always c. The other two sides are A and B. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. If you have any ideas for future videos, leave them in the comments section below. See you next time at Math Digest.